Today, the series explores ancient acoustic archaeology and how master builders used sound to shape spaces and rituals. From temple corridors that amplify whispers to plazas designed for communal chant, sound was a tool as precise as stone and bronze. Archaeologists measure echoes, resonance, and reverberation to infer ceremonies, roots, and social power once hidden in plain sight. The mystery deepens when scholars compare regional styles, suggesting shared acoustic laws across distant cultures and inspiring modern sound design. What would you test first if you could hear the past and map an ancient soundscape with your own ears?